morning. Good morning, everybody. As Dr.
Because the common
Kind of what's her name?
everything is that you bring you to
That
your
one.
home, you bring
You
you to
must
your
know that one.
to your
Good
relationship,
morning,
you bring you
everybody.
to your workspace, to
It's a
your money,
Monday. It
your
is a
common
Monday,
denominator.
actually.
And if
It is a
you're
Monday.
still filled with clutter and
I'm
unnecessary
watching
things around you will basically
my
do
girl.
that. So
My girl.
I urge you or encourage you to really get
Actually, I haven't watched Mpumi in a long time because
take along with you, and you can
I've
always
just
dig
felt
in.
like her content was sort of, I don't know, sort of moving away from what I normally consume. Oh, the hand is back. It was moving away from what I normally consume, which is like personal development, mental health and things like that. It was moving away from that. She was doing a lot of self introspection. I don't know if I should call it that. Like she was doing a lot of videos about herself and her home and home improvements and all those things, which is great. Love to see it, of course, because the growth of YouTubers is my jam. But I like watching personal development, wisdom and wellness stuff more than anything. Love journey podcasts, yeah. So yeah, I was catching up with her. And today, this week, I'm doing it's not a declutter, it's a re-declutter, because I did a declutter first when I was doing my first video of building a capsule wardrobe. But now I'm doing a re-declutter because I need to separate the stuff that I have in my closet. I need to put away summer clothes that I won't wear at all right now, like tank tops and crop tops and spaghetti straps, and I'll leave a t-shirt here and there, but most of them have to go in away. I have to pack them away. So that's what I'm doing today. So let's start packing. Don't judge. Let me show you guys that my cupboard is empty now, besides this section. I just took these things from, it's just my kids' clothes, my kids' school uniform that I normally also hang over here because there's usually space. But that's everything in my closet. And obviously I'm going to start handling this.
I'm sure it was called Rate My Plate. I went there to cook and I recognized the setting of the house. Like, yo, this is the Big Brother house. And in my mind, I was like, yo, what am I doing here? But this to me was like, yo, I finally made it to the house, but I was there for something else. So I was there at the show, and that time things were still rough. I went there to cook for 1,000 rand, of which I never even got 1,000 rand. It was rough. It was rough times, guys. But I made some affirmations to myself that, yo, I can't wait for the next time Big Brother calls me. And guess what? 2022, the year of alignment and change. I make it to the house, and I'm that was the song that I was hearing. And yo, I was there nervous. I don't want to lie. I asked for water, but I was carrying water and I'm busy doing this, so I couldn't even drink the water. So I had to put it down and I had to focus my energy. And when I went on stage, you know, all I could see was people there, previous housemates, and all that I was thinking about is my family. It's time for me to go home because I was in that house for so long that it was a level of fear of a new life, of going outside, because to a certain extent, being in a space for a certain amount of time, you get used to it. You get used to that environment, and you think there's nothing that exists but that space. So I go there on stage, and yo, guys, those minutes before Lawrence announced my name, I was making side jokes in my head.
I don't like, obviously I'm trying to get rid of a lot of patterns, né? But I'm gonna keep this shirt because it's white, you know, and because it's a beautiful shirt, man. It's a beautiful shirt. Like, I like these quirky, you know, party, boring, can't touch this, can't touch this, hey girl, high five, you know, fries before guys. And it's got like chips, there, fries before guys. I don't know if you're seeing it, because we're trying. Guys, like stuff that I've had for so long that only are gonna only make sense in my wardrobe now. But I've had these things and I'm like, ugh. So I feel like it was the highlight of my month, my week, and my style has been gravitating towards minimalists, neutral colors, because this is what I've been buying for like the past 4 years or so. These are the colors that I've been buying. If you see color, you see like your orange, you know. But this is what I've been buying most of the time. So, your girl's been doing this capsule vibes. The capsule vibe. The capsule vibes. I love this shirt so much. It's the only thing that I probably will own that's got like pattern colors that's different from Bariki animal print. It's got like faces and stuff. Yes.